saw a little bird. Come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird. Wait, stop, stop, stop. And was going to the window to say hi. But he shook his little tail, and far away he flew. One little frog went to bed. He always said his prayer